Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to do an unboxing on the Air Dior. I'm so excited because this is a special sneaker, okay, and I'm very opportune to have this in my shop. Okay, so let's get started and without wasting your time. So you see that this on this box like it's very different from other box. Like I don't know what to say, but I have to say something. Very different from other box, and the box is in textile. You can see that it's not like a paper type, it's like it's textile. And you see Air Dior is printed here on the box. Okay, that's the box. And you see here the shoebox label is here. You can check how it is. And now the box is having a magnet closure. It's not like the other ones that maybe you remove it like a paper or what. So you open it like this. So when you open, you see here on top, that's where you see the paper here. You see how it is. That's how it came. The dust bags are joined like that. One with the A and the other one with the Dior written on it. So now let's talk about the dust bags. That's how it comes. You can see like this. Yeah, you see Air Dior joined like this. That's how it comes. Okay, and you see the workmanship on the dust bags are very immaculate and nice. You can see the details and everything. You see how it is the Air Dior is printed on the dust bag. Okay, same on this other one. You see how the Air Dior is printed on the other one. And this shoe has this sneaker has two dust bags. Unlike the other sneakers, they have just one dust bag. You can see that. Okay, so let's talk about what now. These three other extra ones you see here. Air Dior is printed there, Air Dior. And here you see the Jumpman is here. You see that there, okay? And the Air Dior is also here. Okay, so now let's talk about the lace. You see the lace here. You see Air Dior. The Jumpman is on the lace here. Here, the Jumpman is also there. And on the other side, you see that Dior is printed there. Inside here is Dior. But on the other one, the Jumpman is there, like the one representing Jordan. But the other one is carrying Dior. Okay, that's how it is. And these are the extra lace. Okay, so now let's talk about the insole, the extra insole. You see it has this oblique design here, Dior design. And to make sure it has a stamp here on the insole, there's a stamp here. Okay, you can check that there. So when you're buying yours, you have to check the stamp on the extra sole. I told you this shoe is very different from the other ones. And here you see with the oblique design is still here on the extra sole, insole, sorry. That's how. And this insole, you see how it is. very a little bit heavier than I can say it's heavier than the other ones that I know. Okay, so I think that's all about this insole. So now let's talk about the sneaker itself. Okay, see on this paper you will see that Dior is all over these protectors. Dior is here. Dior, I don't know if it's visible to see the Dior here. Okay, so let me take out the almighty Air Dior. Okay, so that is the Dior. That's how it is. Now let's take one and analyze. Okay, and it's all made of leather, Italian leather, and you see the oblique Nike design here is with the Dior, the oblique Dior design. Okay, here too the same thing. That's the only thing that you can see about Dior on this sneaker. And on the tongue, here on the tongue it also has that oblique design here. Okay, so and the shoe is so soft, like, oh my god, I don't have words to express. So here you see how the serial number is here. Okay, and this way, this other side, it has these writings there. I don't know, Nike and the search. Like, it's visible. Like, I don't have time to be reading all this for you, but you can do that yourself. Okay, and here on this tongue you see is leather. Here all this shoe is like just leather. Okay, and the lace here is gray color, whereas the extra lace is creamy white. Okay, that's it. The extra lace is creamy white, whereas here is gray. Okay, and you check the stitches on this sneaker. Well done. And you see the Air Jordan here. The Air Dior design is here. Okay, so that's all about it. Let me talk about this other one. Is the same thing. Everything is the same. The high quality leather, the Italian leather. Yes, you can see that the stitches, you can also check. Okay, you can check everything. That's how it is. Okay, and here the serial number is also there, and it's also here. Okay, that's how it is. Now let's talk about the outsole. You see that here the logo is there, Air Dior, and here is well printed Dior. And the outsole is made up of rubber, high quality rubber. Okay, so that's how the sneaker is. Take a good look at it. Okay, I hope you've seen the tongue here.